canvas. Before we get started with today's tutorial, I have a little joke for you. So why was a piece of art thrown into jail? Because he was framed. All right, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get down to business. Have you ever experienced the frustration of having pencil lines show through the layers of your paint? It's nearly impossible to get coverage over these pencil marks with such a light color such as this yellow. So today I have the solution just for you. I'm going to show you how to transfer your drawings to your canvas so you're no longer going to have to draw directly onto the canvas and have to worry about covering up all those eraser marks or the pencil lines with a light color. So stay tuned. I'm going to help you out with this and let's get going. Let's dive right into this tutorial. You're going to want a flat surface to work on, and what you can do is tape down your drawing to your surface to make sure that it doesn't move as you're transferring your drawing. You're going to set your parchment paper on top of that. Then all you need to do is trace over your drawing to transfer it onto your parchment paper. It's always a good idea to make sure that all of your lines were transferred to the parchment paper before you remove the parchment paper. So make sure you do that, friends. Next, you're going to want to remove your drawing from underneath your parchment paper. Then you're going to flip the parchment paper over and scribble on top of the lines that you just drew. Before moving on to the next step, be sure to double check that you scribbled over all of your lines on the back side of your drawing. Once you've done that, you can grab your canvas, and we are going to get to the fun part where we're actually transferring the drawing onto the canvas, and it's really easy to do. All you need to do is place your parchment paper on top of the canvas, and you're going to go over the lines on your drawing. Whenever I do this, I like to use a mechanical pencil because the tip of it is very small, so it's a little bit easier to get those very precise lines. And as you can see, I'm kind of using my left hand to hold down the drawing onto the canvas the entire time so that the parchment paper doesn't slip out of place. And as you're transferring the drawing onto the canvas, you are going to occasionally want to lift up the parchment paper to make sure that you're transferring all of the lines onto the canvas. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is remove the parchment paper off of the canvas and you should have your drawing on there. There it is. Now you have your drawing on your canvas and there's no eraser marks to have to worry about later. Yeah! And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to transfer your drawing onto a canvas so you'll end up with a nice clean painting. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment a little bit and maybe find a method that works for you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a little thumbs up and subscribe for some more art tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy creating, bye!